My name's Stuart Faid, and I got started in the automotive industry back in 1992 as a management graduate for Volkswagen. Now I'm Executive General Manager for the AMA Group, and I'm also on the Board of Directors for the ACIA, very proudly. I think it's got to be the people, along with the complexity. I think it's broader and wider than lots of people appreciate. I think you have a simplistic view that it's fixing cars, but there's so much more to it with the supply chain and partners and suppliers and everything. So yeah, it's a huge industry with lots of interesting parts. Probably the misconception that it's not a huge industry with lots of interesting parts and people think it's simply about fixing cars. That's probably my biggest frustration, trying to advocate for an industry that is really complex and challenging and technically oriented and everything else, yeah. Probably the young kids that are making the brave choice to join the industry, because I know that's a difficult choice for them to make. There's a lot of competition for young talent out there, so I think I'm probably the biggest fan of young kids who take that brave step to join the industry and get a trade and contribute to our growth. Okay, first car was a Volvo 360 GLE. In like an apple green metallic and like an orange velour trim. Current car is a Nissan Patrol. Probably a Mark 1 Ford Escort Mexico.